Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the very first lecture on the series of management sciences, and today we will try to find out either management is a science or art. There is a continuous controversy on the subject of management, either it is science or art. Most of the earlier practitioners took their decisions on the basis of intuitions, experience, and the feelings they have. So on the comparison of common sense versus science, as we all know that if a person managing a company here in East, so here culture is totally different from the West. So taking decision on the base of common sense, it's vague. There is no logic. It does not test any assumption. While on the other side, if we talk about science, science has logic, it has logical consistency, systematic explanation there, and critical evaluation also be there. So the big question arises, how does science operate? So the first step in logical explanation of science, formulation of the problems based on observation. Any scientist observe a particular phenomena. He formulate a problem, and based on that problem he tried to create a theory to solve that particular problem, and then he formulates assumption and then test his assumptions in different conditions just to make sure the accuracy of his results, and finally he confirms his theory. All the theories in physics and chemistry formulated in the same way as we discussed earlier. So we have understand that science has fixed logics and principles. Let's suppose if we mixed Na with Cl, it gives us NaCl table salt. No matter where we are sitting and mixing or doing this experiment, either we are sitting here in Pakistan or India, or we are sitting in America or China, it will gives us the same result. While on the other hand, if we talk about the nature of management, we can say that management is a halfway science. It has fixed principles, logical explanation, but it changes in different context across different cultures. Even person to person it varies. And when a person move from one organization to another organization, so he observe a lot of changes in the culture, context, and nature of management. So how can we differentiate between science and art? As we all know that science can be advances with knowledge, while on the other hand, art can be advances by practice. Let's suppose if we talk about music and dance, it can be better with respect to the practice. If we do more practice, we will get better results. Same with the management decision. If we will do more practice, we will be able to do better decision making. If we talk about the next point, science proves particular theories. Science proves something, but management is a field. In management, we can guess only, but science gives us clear-cut definitions. While in a management, we can describe some phenomenal things. Hence, in a nutshell, we can conclude that management is both art and science. But still, with the advent of data analytics and data sciences, it is moving towards science from art.